Hi, Lily and Luke here. Today we are going to explore the city of Winchester in Hampshire.
This is our first time here, and wow, what a city it was. We fell in love within the first 20 minutes of arriving. It was absolutely incredible. Come with us today as we show you around. Our first stop was the Great Hall, which is the last remains of Winchester Castle, built by William the Conqueror in 1067. Inside there's so much to see and to do. You've got stained glass windows, the walls are all decorated with details from the royal bloodline, Queen Eleanor's garden, a bronze statue of Queen Victoria, and the centrepiece of it all was King Arthur's Round Table, which was just incredible.
We then headed through the city centre, taking in the atmosphere and looking at the large variety of market stalls. Luke has been after some fresh seafood for months, and when he finally found some, he was so happy. It was so delicious and fresh. After our pleasant walk through the market, we noticed the peak of the cathedral between the buildings. With this as our heading, we ventured down a few side streets to be met by its outstanding beauty. Surrounding the cathedral, there is a grassy lawn perfectly in view for an atmospheric summer's day picnic. As we walked around the cathedral, we discovered the Dean Garnier Garden, which was absolutely beautiful. We didn't expect to find this, but there was plenty of flowers, things to look at, and we just sat and soaked in the summer sun.
Nobody else had seemed to find this garden or even knew it existed. It was literally just tucked around the back of the cathedral, and we had an unspoilt view. Our next surprise discovery was Wolvesey Castle, which was originally residence to the bishops of Winchester, some of the richest and most powerful figures in medieval England.
As we left the castle, we were met with a sign directing us to the water meadows. With the sun beating down and the smell of flowers in the air, we had to go and have a look.
Winchester has a large network of waterways running throughout the city, providing homes to lots of wildlife. As you can probably tell, Lily and I are a little bit obsessed by streams, rivers and lakes and all things water, so we've just found ourselves meandering around following them all day long. Our penultimate stop was the Winchester City Mill, which is a restored water mill situated on the River Itchen. It was free to get into the mill. All they asked for is a small donation if you so choose. Inside, there were many exhibitions, access downstairs into where the watermill used to be, and most importantly, a cafe. So of course, me and Lily had to oblige and get a cappuccino. On our way back to the van, and standing over 17 feet high, we came across the statue of the first King of England, Alfred the Great, which is a great way to cap off a fantastic city.
We hope you enjoyed our video about Winchester.
It's a phenomenal city and one of my favourites in the UK. This was our first visit, and we'll definitely be going back for an extended stay.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.